Hello, my name is Esteban Hall, and this is my eco-friendly home. As you can see, I have added windmills for the preference to partly power the house I have made for my team. And the windmills are also powered by solar panels, as you can see right here. And the solar panels are like if the windmills aren't necessarily working, or if it's like a dry day. So when there's lack of wind. And so they're going to be, and this house also uses geothermal heating to power it just in case. And on the inside of my house there is it uses reclaimed wood. It has underfloor heating, and it also uses blue jean installation and most of the wood you'll see here is most likely reclaimed wood. And right here, where the room is just a standardized room for anybody's needs. And here's a little poster I thought was a bit fitting for it. Art is new energy. And that was bedroom 1. And as you walk in here, this is the bathroom. This is going to be the bathroom. And it uses a composting toilet, and everything else is what you'd expect as a normal bathroom, and what comes with one. Here, I just thought it could have been a bit overkill, but I just thought it was really nice. And it's the patio here, and the patio just serves as if you want to just have a break from eating from inside and eat outside, and yeah. And here's the dining room. It's just a standard dining room if you want, and that's why I put the patio outside, because it's kind of boring here. The kitchen uses the multi-fuel burning stove right there. And it also uses an eco-friendly fridge, as it's modern, so it doesn't use as much gases to power it. And that's a very good benefit from that. And as we go on, here's this bedroom number 2. And it's like, I see it like a children's bedroom, that's why I did that. And it's also a little fan that I like. Yeah. And the second bathroom doesn't have a shower because of the other one. This one's just in case you need in your hurry. And that is my eco-friendly home. And thank you. Doo doo doo.